You ever wake up and feel like you're running, but you don't even know where? You scroll, you grind, you chase, but deep down something feels off. It's not burnout, it's not laziness, it's that you're climbing the wrong damn mountain. Let's fix that right now. 5 steps to find your life's purpose. Real, practical, no fake guru, BS. Step 1. Silence the noise. Every opinion, every trend, every "you should do this" is hijacking your brain. Take 1 day without social media. No podcasts, no outside voices. Sit alone. It'll feel weird at first, but in that silence, your real voice shows up. That's the one you've been ignoring. Step 2. Follow your energy, not your ego. Your purpose isn't found in what looks impressive. It's what makes time disappear. When you're fully locked in and the world fades out, that's your compass. Ask yourself, what could I talk about for hours without checking my phone? That's your clue. Step 3. Solve a real problem. Purpose lives where your passion meets usefulness. If what you love doesn't help anyone, it's a hobby. But when it impacts others, it becomes meaning. Think about what pain you've lived through. That's the pain you're built to solve. Step 4. Take messy action. Stop overthinking. Stop waiting for clarity. Clarity doesn't come before action. It comes because of it. You learn faster by doing something slightly wrong than by planning it perfectly. Step 5. Build a system, not a fantasy. Your purpose isn't one big aha moment. It's built through habits. Journal every week. Track what energizes you, what drains you, who inspires you. In 30 days, patterns emerge, and that's your direction. Your purpose isn't lost, it's buried under noise. Strip it away, follow your energy, help people, and stay consistent. You don't need a map, you just need motion. Now, if you want to build a life that feels alive, hit that follow, because we're just getting started. Try this for 1 week, then come back here and tell me what changed. Deal?